Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your TradingView. First, open the TradingView platform and log into your account. Then, navigate to the chart layout settings, usually found near the top right. From there, you can select your preferred chart type, such as candlesticks or a bar chart, to begin customizing your view for optimal trading analysis. Next, let's personalize your chart's appearance. You can easily adjust the colors of your bullish and bearish candlesticks to suit your visual preferences. Consider changing the background color for improved contrast and reduced eye strain. Also, experiment with different time frames, from 1 minute to 1 day, to analyze market movements across various periods. Now, let's enhance your analysis with indicators and drawing tools. You can add popular indicators such as moving averages or the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, to gain deeper insights. Make use of the drawing tools to mark trend lines, support, and resistance levels directly on your chart. Remember to save your customized chart layout as a template for quick access later. Finally, it's crucial to save and manage your TradingView layouts effectively. Give your customized chart layout a clear and descriptive name for easy identification. You can then access your saved layouts quickly from the drop-down menu. Consider creating multiple layouts, perhaps one for day trading and another for swing trading, to optimize your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.